Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be showing you guys our Lasfit bed liners. With this right here, this application is for the 2024 Tacomas. It's folded in 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. And then of course right in the middle it bends in, so that's why it fits in that package perfectly. As you guys could tell, if you guys wanted to put this right now on the vehicle, it's a little deformed. That's what happens when it comes in the box. You're going to want to put it outside in the sun. If you're seeing this video in the winter time, you're going to want to have this inside a warm place. If you have a hair dryer or a heater or something, just have it there so it kind of makes it flat. With the hair dryer, you can probably smooth it out. You're going to give it at least, I would say, a few hours. Right now here in California, it is summer, it's extremely hot. Within 30 minutes and you should be fine. All these are all laser scanned. All the scanning is done here in the USA. We don't have any third parties, anyone else outside of the US doing this for us. We do it ourselves to ensure design, the concept is to our expectations. So everything that's done by us. These are very simple to clean. You could throw soap if you guys wish to clean it with soap. It's up to you. We ourselves, we don't really do that. We just with water, and it comes out very simple. If you throw chemicals like paint, it will stick to it. Then yes, at that point you could throw a little bit of chemicals to take it off, or even scrub it. It'll come off. But normally, if it's just dirt, debris, stuff like that, it'll come out very simple. These are very easy to clean with the material. Very simple. Alright guys, so that sums up the whole unboxing, laying them flat, leaving in the sun, going back into its original shape for the bed liners. As you guys can tell, it has maximum coverage. Don't be afraid to throw stuff at these liners. That's what they're made for. These are made to protect your bed, whether you have a hard plastic bed or you have the steel, metal, fresh paint on it. These are there to protect it. So don't be afraid to throw some stuff at this. It will handle it. These are strong TP material. It will handle anything you throw at it. So far, it's handling most of the stuff that we throw on it, and we're very pleased, very happy to share it with you guys. Again, if you guys like this material, please like and subscribe. It does help us bring you more content. If you want to see more stuff like this for your trucks, for SUVs, for in general, all vehicles, give us a call, give us suggestions. We might just put into production. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.